Salzburg. Salzburg, Austria, is indeed a fantastic place to visit for a variety of reasons. It's a city renowned for its stunning natural scenery, rich history, and vibrant cultural scene. Here are some of the reasons why Salzburg is a great place to visit. Salzburg boasts a rich history dating back to the Roman times. The old town, Altstadt, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is filled with well-preserved Baroque architecture, charming narrow streets, and historic buildings. Notably, Salzburg is the birthplace of the famous composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, and you can visit his birthplace and residence. Salzburg is often referred to as the City of Music due to its strong musical tradition. In addition to Mozart, the city was also the setting for the iconic film The Sound of Music. You can enjoy classical concerts, opera performances, and music festivals throughout the year. The city is surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty, with the Alps in the background. The Salzach River flows through the city, and there are several parks and green spaces to explore. The Hohensalzburg Fortress, perched on a hill, offers panoramic views of the city and the surrounding landscape. Salzburg hosts numerous museums, art galleries, and cultural institutions. The Salzburg Museum, Museum Darbmeden, and the Residenzgallery are just a few places to explore art and history. Salzburg hosts various events and festivals, including the world-famous Salzburg Festival, which celebrates classical music and performing arts during the summer months. The Christmas markets are also a delightful attraction during the winter season. Austrian cuisine is a treat for food enthusiasts. You can savor traditional dishes such as Wiener Schnitzel, Sachertorte, a famous chocolate cake, and delicious pastries in local cafes and restaurants. The surrounding region offers numerous outdoor activities, including hiking, skiing, and exploring the nearby lakes, such as Wolfgangsee and Altstadt. Salzburg's central location in Europe makes it an excellent starting point for day trips to nearby destinations like Altstadt, Perched, and the Salzburg Lake District. Salzburg is known for its warm and welcoming atmosphere. The locals are friendly and often take pride in sharing their city's history and culture with visitors. The best time to visit Salzburg largely depends on your preferences and what you want to experience during your trip. Salzburg has something to offer year-round, but each season has its own unique charm and activities. Here's a breakdown of the best times to visit Salzburg based on the season. Spring, which is March to May. Spring is a beautiful time to visit Salzburg as the city starts to bloom with flowers, and the surrounding countryside becomes lush and green. The weather is generally mild, with temperatures gradually warming up. You can enjoy outdoor activities, visit gardens, and explore the city without the summer crowds. Summer, which is June to August. Summer is the peak tourist season in Salzburg. The city is bustling with visitors, and the weather is warm and pleasant. This is the best time for outdoor activities like hiking, cycling, and exploring the Salzburg Lake District. You can attend the famous Salzburg Festival and enjoy numerous outdoor concerts and events. Autumn, which is September to November. Autumn in Salzburg is a favorite time for many travelers. The weather is still quite pleasant, and the crowd starts to thin out. The fall foliage in the surrounding countryside is breathtaking, making it an ideal time for scenic drives and hiking. You can experience local harvest festivals and enjoy the cultural attractions without the summer rush. Winter, which is December to February. Salzburg is magical during the winter season, especially around Christmas. The city is adorned with festive lights and decorations. You can visit the charming Christmas market and warm up with mulled wine and traditional Austrian pastries. If you enjoy winter sports, nearby ski resorts like Bad Gastein and Obertauern offer excellent skiing and snowboarding opportunities. Salzburg offers a wealth of attractions and places to explore, from historic landmarks to cultural sites, stunning natural landscapes, and more. Here are some of the best places to visit in Salzburg. Number 1. Hohensalzburg Fortress. Number 2. Salzburg Old Town. Number 3. Mirabell Palace and Gardens. Number 4. Mozart's birthplace. Number 5. Salzburg Cathedral. Number 6. Salzburg Zoo. Number 7. Salzburg Museum. Number 8. Hellbrunn Palace and Trick Fountains. Number 9. Sound of Music locations. Number 10. Salzburg Lakes. Number 11. Salzburg Christmas markets.